Jason. You getting this? Look at the camera. Show Mommy your smile.
What do you get to do?
Okay, ready? Who wants to try first?
Me.
Alright, see this right here? You're going to squeeze that, but not all the way. You're just going to squeeze it a little bit. Ready?
It's heavy. Might want to use two hands.
Okay, go for it.
Keep going. Keep going. Okay, let go, let go. Okay, do it again.
You're spilling it.
Go for it.
He's spilling the wine. Look, he
Keep
spilled
going.
it.
Okay, let go. Okay, do it again. One more time. That should do the trick. All right, good job.
You're up. You ready?
You're up. And then we can do the next one.
Actually, let's do this one. It's a little lower. Okay, ready? Just grab the trigger.
Move over, Lonnie.
You ready? Go for it. Try it again. There you go. You got it. Keep going. That's it. Actually, you're pretty good. I might have to give you a job here.
All right, he can make his own money.
Perfect.
We'll drop him off every Monday night, okay?
You want to try another one? Yeah.
And then we
You can do this one.
Good stuff.
That looks like grape juice.